Alright, today we got a star here on this windshield. We're going to be drilling down in there, creating an actual opening for us to fill the resin. So pressing on down in there. And you don't want to go too far into the glass. If you do, you go down to the plastic layer, and then you can't create that opening correctly. So we drilled down just far enough, but not down into the plastic. Now we're going to use this to create a little star in there, a little opening, just kind of break it up a little bit. Create an air pocket, allow the resin to get down into the chip. And I'm zoomed up on this chip quite a bit, so I'll zoom out here. Try and give you a good perspective of driver area. Let's see here. Right above my finger is where that chip's at. So not very big at all, but when I'm zoomed up on it, it looks quite big. Alright, today we're using an aluminum tool. With the triple start threads on there. So real quick and easy to get everything adjusted to where you need to. Very nice and fast. And he's going to be pouring in the resin right now. So that's what he's putting in the top. You can already see it's already started to fill some of the legs without even putting any pressure on it. Alright, now we're on pressure and back off. Putting pressure back on it again. Takes a little bit of time to fill those legs, not very much. Back off pressure one more time. Back on again. You want to cycle on and off again to help pull out any air that's in there and push the resin back down in. You can already see it's already cleaned up a lot of that. Already pretty much filled. That's looking good. Now we're just going to be using pit filler to fill the part of the glass that actually got removed from the rock chip, putting a tab over it so it allows it to cure. Typically, curing only takes about 1 minute to 2 minutes, depending on how sunny it is. If there's a lot of overcast, a lot of times you might need to use a cure lamp, which is just ultraviolet light bulbs. Alright, now he's just going to remove the excess around where the glass was removed, flatten it to make it flush with the windshield. Alright, give it some contrast there against that brick building, and I'll zoom out as soon as we get it all cleaned up here. Alright, now that we got that cleaned up, put my finger over on it. You can even see much of that little speck, real tiny. And this is where the driver sits, right there. So real nice and clean. Can't hardly even see it. And that's the repair in 4 minutes.